Hey guys, welcome back to Hamon Web Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check theme name of a WordPress website. You can check out this blog for articles on WordPress tutorials, but in this video, we'll be checking out the name of this website. So if you have any website that you like the theme, and you like the theme layouts, you like the theme features, but you don't know the name of the theme, I'm going to show you how to check the name of the theme in this video. So WordPress has a lot of themes. WordPress has premium themes. WordPress has free themes. Why some websites develop their theme from scratch? For some of these websites, you need to contact their developer in order to get theme like their own. But if the website you use WordPress free theme or WordPress premium theme, then you can easily get the theme. It's either you get the premium theme from Theme Forest or you download the free theme from WordPress theme directory. So let's get started. In order to detect the name of a theme, you have to search for ScanWP.net. When you search for it, in this place that is shown, enter a WordPress site URL. You go to the website, copy the when you copy the URL, you come back here, paste it, then you click on the text. When you click on this, it's going to lead you to another page because this contains ads. So you have to close this one, then come back. Let's remove this. So the website is detecting this website theme. So the theme have been detected. Now this is, so you can see mailtunes.com is built with Volley Relix Classic. So this is the name of the theme this website is using. Now, another amazing features of ScanWP is that you can also detect the plugin the website is using. You can see scan plugins. You can see scan plugins. This is it. And also you can check the backlinks information of the website, the keywords the site is ranking for, and competitor information, including domain information. So this is how to check the theme of a website, of a WordPress website. Now, if the website is not built with WordPress, you cannot check it with this website. You have to make sure that the website you are checking, the theme name, was built with WordPress. Now you can now search this the name of this theme on the internet. I'll go to the internet and search for it, but I'm not going to search for it. So this is how to check the theme name. Now, there are some websites that do edit their style.css file. Like maybe this website now might decide to edit the name of this theme and put major tones instead of this volume relix. Now, the website is only going to change the name of the theme, not the author name. So you can track the style.css file in order to check the author name. To do that, you have to come to the website. You right click, then you click view page source. When you click view page source, you locate the style sheet file, which is this. You make sure it contains WP content, the theme and the theme name and classic. Now, if the theme contains comment, it's going to show you the name of the author. But if it doesn't contain comment, if it doesn't have comment, you will not be able to see the name of the author. Now, you have to either contact the owner of this website in order to get the theme. Now, when you click on it, you can see this is only CSS code, so there's no comment, there's no CSS comments right here. So you have to contact the website owner for the theme if the name did not show here. So this is how to check theme name of a WordPress website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorials like this.